Hello guys! Hello mga kapwa ko, SSS members! Ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo paano magbayad ng SSS contribution gamit ang inyong mga Maya account. Maya Bills Payment, latest February 22, 2026. Open your Maya app, type your CP number and your password. Make sure that you have enough wallet balance. Go to Bills, go to Government, go to SSS Contribution, type the account number. This is the PRN or your payment reference number, and the amount. Click Continue. Double check the PRN and the amount. Click Pay. Select My Wallet and click Pay 3008. Payment successful! Congratulations! Thanks for watching! Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell of my YouTube vlog, Panungani How? Thank you! See you ulit sa next vlog! Bye!